Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. This black shirt is making me hot. I never wear black in my videos. Have you guys noticed that? I usually wear white or like a bright color so you guys can really see my hair. And that's also why my background is white so you guys can always see my hair super nice and detailed. Today I'm going to try out a hair tool that I got from Aliexpress from China, and this is the knockoff version of the Dyson Airwrap, which is $550. I have it, I love it. I've uploaded a lot of videos using that hair tool, so I'm gonna link them down below. But in today's video I'm gonna be trying out this. This is the knockoff version, and this only cost me $60. I'm looking forward to seeing how this is gonna work. By the way, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. By the way, the winner of my giveaway from my last video was actually this very amazing subscriber. She shows so much love all the way from Puerto Rico. Her name is Mighty Lynette, so shout out to you, girl. Thank you for showing so much love. She comments in all of my videos and she is so sweet. I love her. So thank you so much for showing support to my channel. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and check out my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on here on YouTube. So go ahead and check out my Instagram. Show some love. The Dyson Airwrap uses the Coanda effect, that's what they call it, to wrap your hair around these barrels and create some curls. That I heard is, you know, very hard to do, and it's a lot of money. That costs a lot of money. So I don't know if this is gonna work. I don't know if you're gonna be able to get that same Coanda effect with this hair tool that only costs $60. I mean, you're saving like $500. Like, if this works, this is gonna be a game changer. So we'll try it. I'm gonna try this section of hair right here to do a curl with the curling wand attachment. So they just have this one size. It has little arrows, so this curls to this side and this one curls to this side. So let's try this one. Let's see what happens. I'll do the small section. Let's stop for now. Okay, so the Coanda effect did kind of work. You guys saw it. So let's see if it created a curl. Guys, do you see that? Oh my god. So it did create a curl. If I would have left it for a little bit longer, it would have been even tighter. If you guys want me to compare this to the original Dyson Airwrap, let me know. I can totally do that. But so far, not bad. Okay, so I'm going to put this section back. I'm going to clip it. And we're going to use this very small section right here, but I'm gonna wet it a little bit, so it's gonna be damp, just like a little bit damp, because I want to see if I can get a tighter curl, because that's how you're really supposed to use a Dyson Airwrap. You're supposed to use it damp so that the curl can last a little bit longer. Let's try this. Feels pretty dry. Okay, let's see what we get. Oh my god. What? Whoa. What? That is a beautiful curl. That curl is like so bouncy. It's insane. I don't know how they did it, but it is working. Now, I will say with the Dyson Airwrap, I do feel like the Kwanzaa effect is more quick. You know, it's like better. With this one, you kind of have to sometimes use your hands to wrap it around the barrel, but it does work, so that's good, and it's super cheap. Let's try this side because why not? So I'm going to take out a very small piece, maybe about that much, and I'm definitely going to wet it because I do feel like we get way nicer curls. Hey babe, look.
Sorry. Wow.
With the fake one.
So that's actually not bad.
Yeah, it actually works.
I wonder what they're going to say about that because it really looks good actually.
I know. Those are like $60.
Sounds like a deal to me.
Okay, so I'm going to wet this part. Just a little bit, not too much. So I'm going to do heat setting number 3. I was at number 2 for this side, and I got a pretty nice wave, not going to lie. Okay, so let's do number 3. Getting kind of hot. I'm gonna put it back down to 2. Okay, gonna release the curl. That is crazy. That is just crazy. Look at that curl. What? I'm going to try some other attachments. I'm going to use this one, the round brush attachment. So this is to get the blowout look. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take another small section. This brush is too small. I would prefer a bigger brush like the REVLON One Step Hair Dry Volumizer brush, like something bigger, because this, I just can't. It's going to take me so long to blow my hair, but I'm going to try it just to see if it works. But it's not the size that I would prefer. I'm gonna wet my hair again. I'm gonna wet it more. I want you guys to really know that it's wet. Like, I wish it was like curly, but when you straighten your hair and then you try to wet it, it's still gonna be, if you have curly hair, it's still gonna be kind of straight for a little bit. You gotta really give it some time for the curls to come back, put some product in it. So yeah, it's not gonna get curly. That's not how curly hair works. I mean, at least that's not how it works for me. But yeah, it's getting there. It's pretty wet. As you can see, some waves are starting to come through. I'm gonna use my brush, shop down below, link down below. You guys already know my Julie brush. So I'm gonna detangle this section. And now, let's blow it out. So. Okay, so this is the section right here that I just blowed out. I wouldn't recommend this hair tool to blow out your hair. Number one, the brush is very small. It's going to take you so long to blow out your hair. I mean, unless you have like very short hair. But this brush did pull my hair a little bit. Didn't feel super comfortable. It didn't leave my hair super smooth. I mean, I could probably keep going, but I took my time to do this section. So this attachment I'm not crazy about. we're gonna move on to the next attachment. So this one is just like your typical, you know, blow dryer. So this is just to like dry your hair. Air is coming out, so it does work. I've never really used this attachment. I never use it with the Dyson Airwrap because for my curly hair, it's like not worth it. It's not worth my time. I'd rather use the attachment that maybe has like a brush with it so it can like smooth out my hair. Or if I'm going to use a regular blow dryer, then I'll use maybe like a diffuser attachment. Now let's do the other attachment, which is this one. So this is supposed to be like the smoothing attachment. The brush feels kind of cheap, honestly. This doesn't compare to the brush that the Dyson Airwrap brings because that one is very nice quality. This, you can tell it's not that great. But I'm gonna try it either way. Anyways, as you can see, my hair is wet, so the curls are starting to come through. So yeah, let's use this attachment to blow out my hair and hopefully get it smooth. So let's see. Okay, so this is what the section is looking like. Again, with this one, I wouldn't use it to blow out my hair. It's not worth it. I would only recommend getting this tool for these attachments. If you want to get this hair tool to curl your hair, then I think it's worth it. To blow it out, not too much, but you do get some really, really nice curls with these attachments. And I was actually very surprised because the Dyson Airwrap is expensive. So for you to get kind of like the same look for $60, not bad at all. I don't know how long this hair tool is gonna last. I've only tried this once. I don't know if it's gonna last me like a couple months, if it's gonna last me a couple years, who knows, or if it's gonna like break right away. I don't know because it's my first time trying this. So if you do get it, I really hope that it lasts a very long time. That is it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think about this hair tool in the comments down below. Did you like it? Do you think it's like worth it? Do you think it's like not that great? Let me know. It can be completely honest. I want to hear you guys. I want to know what you guys have to say about this hair tool. So comment down below. Yeah, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.